Untangling the ties of language. Understanding necktie in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, necktie. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or just curious about English phrases, understanding this term is both practical and interesting. Let's dive into what necktie really means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. A necktie is a piece of cloth that men, and sometimes women, wear around their necks, usually under the collar of a shirt. It's often associated with formal or professional attire. Ties come in various colors, patterns, and materials, and they can be tied in different styles. The most common way to tie it is known as the Windsor knot. But why do we call it a necktie? The answer lies in its purpose and position. It's a tie worn around the neck. Understanding a bit about the history of the necktie can help us appreciate this phrase more. The necktie originated in the 17th century during the 30 Years' War, when Croatian mercenaries wore cloth bands around their necks as part of their uniform. These bands caught the eye of Parisians, leading to their evolution into the modern necktie. This historical backdrop adds a layer of cultural richness to the term. In many cultures, a necktie symbolizes professionalism, authority, and formality. It's often a key element in business attire and is sometimes required in corporate and social settings. The way a tie is tied and its condition, neat or messy, can also convey a lot about a person's attention to detail and professionalism. Let's look at how to use necktie in sentences. 1. He wore a bright red necktie to the interview to make a bold impression. 2. I need to learn how to tie a necktie properly for my brother's wedding. 3. In our office, wearing a necktie is optional on Fridays. These examples show the versatility of the term in various contexts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, necktie. We hope this video has not only taught you about a common English phrase but also given you insight into its historical and cultural significance. Keep practicing, and remember, every piece of language is a step towards fluency. See you in the next video.